These smoke detectors with a 3-pin quick connect harness have been a standard in new homes for the last 25 years or so. If yours is chirping for replacement and has this connector, you probably have the same problem. Most new units don't match directly. Today I'll show you how to easily install a new one without rewiring. Sorry about the camera angles, I was recording and installing at the same time. First, twist the smoke detector counterclockwise to remove it from the mounting plate. Then loosen the screws that hold the mounting plate. You don't need to remove them. You'll use the same screws to mount the new one. Rotate the mounting plate and slide it off the ceiling. Disconnect the quick connect wiring harness from the connector in the ceiling. I picked up this pack of 2 smoke and carbon monoxide detectors at a great price from Costco. It includes quick connect wiring harness adapters. One end plugs into the back of the new detector and the other end matches with the existing 3-pin harness in your ceiling. The mounting plate has 2 alignment lines marked A that match the corresponding line on the detector itself. Make sure to use these to properly orient it before mounting. Use the original screws to attach the mounting plate to the ceiling. Align the screws with the large openings. Rotate the plate into place, then tighten them down. Next, connect the adapters together. Be careful to align them properly so you don't bend the prongs. Finally, adjust the A line with the line on the detector. Place the detector onto the mounting plate and give it a clockwise twist to lock it securely in place. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing and sharing this video with your friends and family. Have yourself a wonderful day.